Hey there, Michael Church, crawlspaceninja.com, and we got another myth. Removing standing water, does it control humidity? Stay tuned. Well, I probably gave it away. It doesn't. It helps to control some humidity, but you know what? Removal of standing water alone does not control humidity. I can't tell you how many times we talk to homeowners that have paid somebody to install a trench and a sump pump, and they were told that that would lower the humidity so they wouldn't grow mold on the joists and all that sort of thing. Well, that's not true. The only way really to control humidity is what? A dehumidifier. Now, of course, the dehumidifier will run less if the standing water has been addressed properly, but removing standing water alone does not control humidity, so we call that a big myth out there in the crawl space world. My name is Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.